and some snacks. Oh, I've done that the wrong way. You're so cutie. And then, oh, that. What are you doing then? We're zooming in now. We were a little bit zoomed in. So I am in the car, just about to drive to pick up my friend, and then we are having a day in Notting Hill. I've brought some clothes with me. Quite a bit. This is just a coat and a hat, but there's a lot of stuff in there. And some snacks. Gluten-free chocolate wafers and stuff, which I'm gonna pop in here. Because it's a fair bit of a drive from his house, but yeah, hopefully get some content done and have a lovely day out. It is miserable today and it is not feeling like spring is coming, so hopefully it'll brighten up by the time we get there. If not, it's just a reflection of reality. But I have to get to driving because well, I'll just about be on time, but got a little bit ways to go, so I'll see you in a bit. Ooh, been a while since we spoke. I've been waking up with really bad hay fever every day. So I started taking tablets. Well, what I think is hay fever anyway, I don't know. Don't seem to really see a hint of spring thanks to all the storms we're getting. But we'll see. Got my nails done. We're red. I have some beautiful Monica Vinader pieces to show you. And a very exciting Vestiaire package, a new bag. Coming hopefully today. We shall see. Other than that, I've made my lovely tea. This is a Twinings detox tea. It's got fennel in it, which I don't actually like, but I don't mind this. I'm gonna put this Champneys Health Spa moisturising face mask on because thanks to having a blocked nose and swollen eyes, I have been lacking some moisture in my skin, so hopefully this will do some goodness. Oh my god, it just dripped everywhere. Should I do this in the mirror maybe? It's massive. How big is my face supposed to be? Jesus. Oh, it's one of those. I've actually never had one of the ones that goes behind your ears before. Never. Anything more scary than looking at yourself with one of these on. Okay, I've just washed my hair, so let's hope it doesn't make my hair greasy. Oh, I've done that the wrong way. I can't see, everything's backwards in the camera. Oh, hopefully this will be good for my neck. I could use some lift. Okay, this is terrifying, so once this is done, we'll discuss more what we're going to be up to today because this is scary looking. Feels unbelievable though. I'm actually going to take whatever's left in here and put it all over me. Catch you in a jiffy. Okay, hi guys. So, first of all, let's show you these beautiful new pieces I've got here. I'm going to tell you the names. So we've got the Nura crossover ring here. We have the Nura reef stacking ring here. We've got the signature thin ring on this finger. You can see it's got a straight front on it, and then the siren hammered ring here. And I love these pieces, they're beautiful. I'm so happy I can have this little gold set to wear now. Also goes, I think, beautifully with my nails. And I'll have a little discount code on the screen for you guys. Someone's making some noise. So you can get 20% off if you want to make any order. But as I said yesterday, there's some exciting things coming, and one of those things got delivered yesterday. So I really need to show you guys this. I'm so excited to open it. Hopefully it's how I imagined, because it's come quite far to get to me. Also just want to say, yeah, I'm a pretty crap vlogger. Okay, if you can't tell who's making this noise, it's this guy. My gorgeous boy. Oh, look at the lips. Look at the lips. Oh. Oh, you're so cutie. You're so cutie. Yes. I'm quite a crap vlogger. I went out with my friends yesterday and didn't vlog anything, but I'll flash some pictures up of food and what we were up to while we were out. It was a lovely day out, but I was dying to get back to this package. I'm not going to lie to you. I wanted to go out and see my friends, but this is like probably one of my most exciting unboxings I've ever done. So if you don't know, this is my first ever Bottega bag. We're gonna have to check them out, aren't we? Can we get back to it without them bothering us? Let's hope so. Okay. I don't know if you guys have watched some of my recent videos, but if you are not aware, I'm highly obsessed with Vestiaire currently. So I've actually just got some emails from Vestiaire and some stuff that I have in my wish list, so just checking those up. Actually what I wanted to do is check up, actually let's unbox and then we'll go through what happened with the item. So the first Bottega bag, this came all the way from Hong Kong. Only took just over a week, I want to say. Very nicely packaged. The lovely dust bag here. There are a few marks on it, but obviously this is second hand. The dust bag is there to protect the bag, so I'm okay with that. Okay, here's the dust bag, and then da, da, da. So I got the brown, dark brown hobo style second hand Bottega. Oh my god, I love her. So I just want to say I got her for an absolute bargain. I love how I'm calling her a her already. I'm very into, if you've seen my mango bag that I recently got, it's knit. It's actually just here. I have some snacks in here that I got from Moody yesterday. So sorry for the crinkling. This is my like knit mango bag that I got recently from the autumn winter sale. And I just am loving like that massive shoulder bag hobo style handbag at the moment. Obviously one in a leather, it just feels much more luxurious, and obviously being Bottega is even more exciting. So the only thing, which were in the images and I am fine with, are that there are just some discolouring on the corners of the bag, and that is it. That's all the issues with the bag. I mean, I haven't opened it, so let's have a look. Zip seems to work fine. We've got some more stuff to protect the bag. Inside there looks perfectly fine, and we've got an inside zip, and that is absolutely fine in there as well. There's a couple marks on the suede inside, just like a couple of darker marks. There's no like massive ink leak or anything like that, just like some wear. And there's actually another pocket, I think we call it like a lipstick holder in there, just one of those little flaps. But other than that, stunning. It was inspected by SJ on the 16th of February. 2022. Oh, what do we think? I don't actually have a brown handbag. I have my Balenciaga city bag in black with gold hardware. I have the styled bag that's small, and I feel like more of an evening bag or more of like a summer bag, like more of a summer outfit. I wouldn't wear it like during the day now. Hopefully it's gonna warm up, but I wouldn't wear it during the day like currently. And then I've got like my little shoulder bag from By Far, and my my little cream Nanushka bag. Those are like, oh, I also have my really light sky blue Oroton top handle. That one is definitely more of a summer bag also, although you can, I like to switch up. People say like white's for summer, but people wear white in the winter. It doesn't matter, each their own. But what I love about this bag, not only is it spacious, not only can it sit on your shoulder so comfortably, but also there's no hardware whatsoever other than the zip, but that's basically invisible. And even the tab for the zip is the colour of the leather of the handbag, so you don't really have to try and match it to your jewellery, or if there's hardware on your shoes or anything like that, which to be honest I don't really mind mismatching metals. But if it bothers you, you don't have to with this. Like, it's just an all leather coloured bag, and I think this is going to be so well loved and used in my collection. So let's do a little bit backstory on it. I've had quite a few saved in my wish list on, or my favourite, sorry, on Vestiaire for quite a while. Haven't really bothered to like bid or anything, but I just had them all there, and I get notifications and stuff like that if they get reduced. So this one in particular, see, this one is basically the same, sold for 600. So I sent, what was it listed as? 436, which is amazing anyway, because a lot of the ones that I see are 800. I think the lowest I see is about 600. I'm talking GBP here. So yeah, the fact that it was on 436 and 7 pence was really great anyway. I thought I'd just luck my chances and see if I can get it any lower, if they were possible at all. So I sent an offer of 292. Now that is very, very low, but I was just trying. I was just testing my luck, seeing if it would work. They came in at a counter offer of 294, so they added on £2. I was like, I'm not gonna fight you for £2. I'm more than happy to take that bag for 294. Then obviously there was customs and all of that added onto that, so it actually worked out for me. So the price I paid was 294, £29. Authentication and quality controls £15, and the shipping fees were 30. And then the thing that sticks you with these things is the import duties, which this came from Hong Kong, so that was £77.37. So in total, £416.66, which for this bag, I couldn't be happier. I haven't seen anything better. It's in a nice neutral colour that I wasn't expecting to be able to find. Honestly, thought I'd have to go with one of those wild lilac or green, which to be honest I probably wouldn't even get. I think the most I would do is like one of those like mid blue colours, like a denim blue colour, maybe. But the fact that I found this beautiful chocolate brown, oh, I'm beyond happy. You guys let me know. My first Bottega, I've never owned a Bottega before, so let me know what you think. I've also heard some good things about, so obviously like where the handle is, like the colour is ever so slightly wearing, like as you can see, it's so subtle and really doesn't affect it. I also quite like a bag to look used, not to look like brand new and fresh and so structurally intact. I do like a bag to look like the leather's like nice and soft and supple. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the bag, and let's keep adding some amazing pieces to this collection. I cannot wait. I'm so happy I'm on a better line path or better road with my wardrobe, investing in better quality. And this sounds like a Vestiaire ad, it's not, I wish it was, but I genuinely have fun looking on there, and I can't believe that I got a beautiful Bottega bag for £400. That for me is pretty good going. But anyway, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one and leave you guys here because I think I flip-flopped quite a lot in this video and all you guys wanted to see was the bag. Next, I do have a couple hauls coming up. I know I need to stop, but they're perfect basics. I think you guys need to see it, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.